Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by this makeup palette that I picked up today. I went to the dollar store and when I'm there I always like to check out the makeup section, and I saw this palette. Look at this. It's called the Clean Color Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And when you look at it, the colors seem beautiful, and it was only $1.99. So I honestly wasn't expecting like any good color payoff, but I said, it's only $1.99. Let me give it a try. So I'm just gonna show you here. Look how vibrant these colors are. And this palette really reminds me of the new NYX palette. It's also, I think, around similar size. I'm gonna give you a closer look at it. Okay, when I open this palette up, I can already smell that very cheap scent, the powdery scent. So I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna swatch it right now for the very first time and we'll see how it works. And if it's a good one, maybe I'll give it a try. And then also, I picked up a lip pencil from the brand Usha's. I don't know if that's a brand. I've never heard of it. It comes with its own sharpener. So I only picked up this one color because I always wanted this very bright pink color, because I think that's very nice for the summertime, or if you want to create some very vibrant looking makeup. And yeah, so let's go on to the swatches, and then after that I already have a makeup tutorial in mind, although I'm only planning to use one shade from here, the yellow color, but I'll film some other makeup tutorials with this if the colors are really good. So let's see, I'm gonna swatch, let's go with the very bright green one here. Oh wow, look at this. Like right away, I barely pushed my fingers into it. It's pretty cool. Let's check out this blue one at the bottom. Wow, so far it's really pigmented. Okay, let's go with the yellow that I want to use today. Oh my gosh, perfect. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. Let's do the yellow, the orange one too. Okay, no disappointment. So far so good. So let's get into the tutorial. I've already done my brows, as you can see. This time I decided to do just a very little filling and feathering it more out. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cruelty Free concealer that I always use nowadays. When you use vibrant colors, I really recommend to put some eyeshadow base down or concealer for the colors to really pop and show off. So this time I'm not going to set my eyelids because I really want the yellow to pop, and I know that it's already not the best quality. So if I set it, I think it would be even worse. So let's see how it's gonna work out. I'm gonna take the first shade that I'm gonna place in my crease from the Morphe palette. I'm going to use very light shade from here. And I'm just gonna place this all over the crease here. Ooh, this is actually too orange for my liking. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep putting this down because it's too orange. So since it's very orange, I'm gonna go back with my brush and just go over it, trying to erase it if I can, although I don't think I can. But whatever, this is good enough. I'm just gonna go back to this even lighter shade and just use this. I'm putting this lighter shade in my crease so it'll be easier to blend the colors, because you don't want any patches or you don't want any harsh lines. But on the lid, the color, the pigment can stick. It's just the edges and the crease that you really want to blend out. So there I'm actually putting down an eyeshadow that's very similar to my skin color. Alright, the moment of truth. I'm going to take my yellow color here in the middle, and look at this, I have a yellow brush to it too. Perfect. I'm just gonna place this all over my lid. I'm bringing up the yellow color pretty close to my brows, under my brow bone. Pretty much this will be the only color that I'm using today on my eyes. Okay guys, I think I take it back. This finish is so extremely pretty, so pigmented. On my viewfinder, it looks very greenish. I hope it doesn't actually show up green on the actual video. It's actually very bright yellow and blended out beautifully. So this is the only color I used. The next step I'm going to do is gonna be something that I'm trying out first. It's going to be an eyeliner, but not a regular eyeliner. I'm gonna make an eyeliner using dots. I was thinking, what tool can I use to make dots? And I decided to use a Q-tip. So basically, I took off the cotton part of it, and I left with this tip that I think will be good to create nice circles. And also, if I want larger circles, I'm just gonna use the back of my brush. So what I'm gonna do, instead of black eyeliner, I'm gonna use red liquid lipstick, because I've seen videos where people use their liquid lipsticks to create very colorful eyeliner looks, but I don't happen to have any colorful eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use my liquid lipstick. And the one is from ColourPop. As you can see, I'm basically going to use colors that just contrast so much and that you wouldn't really see together. So it's not really a look that you would wear outside. It's just very editorial. I think that's what I would call it. Anyway, so the liquid lipstick I'm using for my eyes is called Creeper. I'm going to start from the inner corner and work my way out. The inner corner is going to be smaller dots. In the middle, I'm planning to do a little bit larger dots. And as I'm going towards the wing, I'm going to get smaller again with the dots. So I know it's not too hygienic, but I'm going to take the liquid lipstick. I'm going to dot this. But you got to work fast with this because it dries very fast and very matte. And it's very hard to get rid of, even with a makeup remover. And you just gotta be very precise with it. So here it is. I'm gonna put it here. I'm just gonna start dotting it. Let's see how it works out. Okay, now that I am done with my eye and it's dry, we are ready to put our foundation down. This time I wanted something very full coverage, so I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, a matte and poreless in the color Classic Ivory. It's a little bit too dark for me, as you will see, but this is the only shade I have because I can't afford to buy every single shade. And this will be good for the summertime when I get a little bit more tan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit onto this, not too much. I'm going to start dabbing this on everywhere. Alright, I'm going to apply my concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, so they can fit together. And now I wish I had a mascara that was blue of color or some sort, because I would love to put some electric blue on my lower lash line for mascara, but I don't have that. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to apply red mascara instead. I'm going to take a brush and dip it in here and transfer it to my mascara. Hopefully it will work. Sorry, transfer it to my lashes. Now I'm going to put my highlight on. And now comes the fun part. I'm going to try out this lip color that I got today, and I'm going to fill in my whole lip with this. I actually love this color. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. This lip pencil is only $1.29. Look how beautiful this color is. Very, very pleased with the results. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this color on top of it to make it even more matte and vibrant. It's the color from here, the pink one. Alright, so I had lots of fun making this tutorial for you guys. I know it's not an everyday makeup look, but I hope you liked watching, and I feel like it's more interesting than just always using natural colors. I definitely recommend this, and I'm definitely going to make some more videos using this. And I also love the lip color that I got. So overall, you can make a really nice makeup look using these very affordable makeup products. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video, okay? Bye guys!